So welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Pragmata gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. This will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. Next method is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to connect your PC and controller. After that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand human interface devices. Select a controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will install the latest drivers and after that launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on controller and here select enable Steam input and then launch the game and then check if controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check whether controller is working or not. If the issue still continues, come back again, select use default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, click on Windows update option, then click on check for updates. So this will check if there is any update available and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check whether the gamepad is working or not. Some other troubleshooting tips to follow. You are suggested to clear cache on Steam. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache and finally confirm it. After that, log into Steam once again and then launch the game and check whether the controller is working or not. If you are using wired plug for your controller, then unplug and replug it once and then check. Use big picture mode for Pragmata. So after going to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here you can see enter big picture mode. You simply have to click on it. Now select the game and then click on the play button and check whether the game is launching or not. After that, click on Steam option over here, click on power and select exit big picture mode. After that, launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. So these solutions will surely help to fix Pragmata gamepad or controller not working issue. So that's all for in this video. Thank you.